Deepavali or Diwali is India's biggest holiday of the year. The name of the festival is derived from two Sanskrit words, Deepa, which translates to lamp or light, and Diyawali means row or series. In other words, both Deepavali and Diwali translate to a row of lights, signifying the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Diwali is celebrated on Amavasya or no moon day, when the moon is not visible from the earth. The exact dates change each year, but Diwali is usually celebrated in October or November. The story and significance of Diwali in South India. In South India, Diwali is celebrated the victory of Lord Krishna over the demon king Narakasura, who had imprisoned thousands of people. This story is known as the Narakasura Chaturdashi and is celebrated by the defeat of the demon king by Lord Krishna and his wife Satyabhama. This event liberated the captives and restored peace to the world. During this festival, people exchange sweets with friends and relatives, get blessed by elders, children wear new clothes, and families visit each other. Before sunrise, they take an oil bath and burst crackers. The preparations begin the day before. When a pot is cleaned, smeared with lime, 4 or 5 kumkum dots are applied, and then it is filled with water for the next day's oil bath. The house is washed and decorated with kolam patterns with kavi or red oxide. In the puja or prayer room, a plate with betel leaves and nuts, fruits, flowers, sandal paste, kumkum or red powder, gingerly oil, turmeric powder, sandal powder are kept in front of the god. Crackers and new dresses are placed in a plate after they are smeared with a little cinder or red powder and sandal paste. Deepavali celebrations begins early in the morning. The eldest family member applies sesame oil on the heads of all the family members. Then, everyone takes a head shower, beginning with the youngest in the family. They wear new clothes and burst crackers. Lehim, a bitter concoction, is made at home and is consumed to cleanse the digestive system of festive overeating. A puja is performed for the family deities in the morning. Breakfast consists of murukku, a deep fried, crispy, savory dish, several sweets, and other breakfast items. In the evening, lamps are lit and crackers are burst. During Thalai Diwali or the first Diwali after marriage, the newlyweds go to the bride's parental home to celebrate Diwali. They take blessings from the elders and burst the first crackers of the day. The story and significance of Diwali in North India. In northern India, Diwali commemorates Lord Ram's return to Ayodhya after spending 14 years in forest exile and defeating the king of Lanka, Ravana. People often light earthen lamps to symbolize the triumph of light over darkness. This festival goes on for 5 days, with each day having different rituals and significance. The 5 day festival includes rituals like cleaning homes, creating colorful floor designs called rangoli, lighting oil lamps, preparation of sweets, and bursting firecrackers. In the north, there are numerous legends and local customs associated with this festival. Families gather together for Lakshmi Puja, a prayer to goddess Lakshmi, followed by feasts and firework festivities. Friends and relatives exchange gifts and wishes. In Western India, the festival marks the day that Lord Vishnu sent the demon king Bali to rule the netherworld. This story symbolizes the victory of good over evil and is commemorated on a day within the festival known as Bali Padiyami. In some parts of Western India, such as Gujarat, Diwali also marks the beginning of the new year. For Jains, it marks the enlightenment of Lord Mahavira, and for Sikhs, the release of Guru Hargobind Singh from prison. Deepavali is celebrated as the festival of lights, symbolizing the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. It is also a celebration of wealth and prosperity, with many worshipping goddess Lakshmi,